module not found error is derived from the import error. And if we try to import, let's say, washing machine, it'll raise an error, washing machine not found, because no such module is there that is being installed on the machine. Let's say if you are working with NumPy and NumPy is not installed on the machine, if you try to import it, it'll throw an error, module not found. And so what you want to do is install that module and try to run this. In this hypothetical example, there is no module called washing machine, so of course there's nothing to install. But then it can be used. It is just shown here to show that it'll throw the error, module not found, because that module does not exist on the machine. And on top right, we can say that module not found error is derived from import error, which is in turn derived from the exception class.